Welcome to Pebbles channel. The topic for today is les activités de la journée. So, we are going to describe the routine activities that you do every day. So, we are going to learn some new words, mostly the verbs related to what you do every day. So, what is our routine every day? We wake up, we brush our teeth, we take a bath, we have breakfast, we go to work, etc. So we are going to describe what we do in a single day. So are you ready? Shall we begin? These are the activities we do every day. So we begin with se réveiller. Se réveiller. It means to wake up. Se réveiller. The next one is se lever. Now the meaning of this is to get up. So to wake up, se réveiller. Se lever is to get up. The next word is se laver. Se laver. It is to take a bath. You can also say se laver is to wash oneself. Prendre un bain. Take a bath, une douche, a shower. So there are three ways to say this. The next word is s'habiller. S'habiller. It means to dress up, to dress oneself. Now here, if you see, most of these words have the reflexive before it. So these are the reflexive nouns. The verbs with the reflex. To dress oneself. So, se réveiller, to wake oneself. Okay? So, s'habiller means to dress oneself. The next one is prendre son petit déjeuner. Take one's breakfast. Petit déjeuner is breakfast. Prendre son petit déjeuner. Take your breakfast. The next one is se préparer. Se préparer. It means to get ready. So, this is the first half of the activities. So, first you wake up, se réveiller. You get up, se lever. You take a bath, se laver. Prendre un bain or une douche. S'habiller, you dress oneself. Prendre son petit déjeuner. Take your breakfast. Se préparer. Then you get ready. So, what will be the next step after this? So, after se préparer, after you get ready, the next word is sortir. Sortir is to leave or aller travailler. To go to work. Aller travailler. Sortir or aller travailler. Then the next one is déjeuner. Déjeuner is to have lunch. Déjeuner. The next one is retourner au travail. So you went for lunch. Now you return. Retourner au travail. Return to work. The next one, return from work. Se promener. Se promener. To take a walk. Faire des cours. Faire des cours is to go shopping. Faire des cours. Then, rentrer à la maison. Return to your home. Rentrer à la maison. So, what are the verbs we learnt in this second part? Sortir or aller travailler. You are going to work. Déjeuner. To have lunch. Retourner au travail. So, return to work. Se promener. To take a walk. Faire des cours. To do the shopping. And finally, rentrer à la maison. To return home. So, next we are going to see the routine after we return home. So, in the next part, now rentrer à la maison. So, we return home. The next step is préparer le dîner. Préparer le dîner. Prepare dinner. The next step, s'occuper des enfants. S'occuper des enfants. To take care of the children. And the next step is se reposer. So if you see, this is also a reflexive one. Se reposer. That means to rest. Se reposer. After that, dîner. So to have dinner. Then se coucher. Se coucher. To lie down. And finally, dormir. Dormir is to sleep. So now you know the verbs for all the activities we do regularly, right from waking up to sleeping. Dormir. So now these are all the words in general. That is waking up, having breakfast, all that is general. So if you want to be specific, you can explain. Now you explained you went to work, you had lunch. You can explain what happens at work. So these are les activités de la journée. So you can try to write a paragraph, an essay on what you do every day. So now you know the verbs and you know how to conjugate them and also form sentences. So you have to try to write an essay on what you do from morning till night in a single day.